Hello, new school Beyblade here, and today I'll be doing a Hasbro unboxing Beyblade X Horn Rhino 380S Hasbro 8 Plus and 380S for Sharp. The app. Let's get it open. This is my first non-exclusive day for right now, till I get the other ones. So yeah, okay, got one more. There we go. Okay, oh no. Open it up. The parts. I will be doing a versus Hasbro versus Takara Tomy. This is the booster. Okay. That's it. Let's get this. Here he is. This tiny little midget. And let's get this. This is gonna be one of the shorter videos. There's the 380. There we go. Oh yeah. Here's the QR code. Now let's get the tip. There we go. There's the tip. But yeah. Add it to my collection for Hasbro Bays. I'm currently missing 4, and the other ones will be here tomorrow and Sunday. So yeah. There we go. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this, and goodbye.